Alright, how is everybody doing today? I'm doing wonderful. It's a lovely day. It was just raining earlier, and I personally really like the rain, so it was nice. And I also wasn't outside in the rain, so I didn't get wet, which is always a positive. Hope you all had a good day, whether it was work or school, or maybe you were just at home doing things. I just hope that you had a good day. And yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for today. Let me know what types of videos you guys would like to see in the future. And keep flipping.